Hey everyone, today I am going to explain the GoHighLevel funnel builder features in a very simple way. If you want to build sales funnels for your business to get more leads and increase the sales, then this video will help you to understand what GoHighLevel can do and how it can make your work easier. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from the description to get the 30 days free trial link on GoHighLevel instead of the 14 days and to get the live bootcamp access and some exclusive bonuses. So grab these offers from the link of the description and let's get back to the video. So if I talk about the GoHighLevel, basically it is a tool that helps you to create professional sales funnels without needing to hire a designer or developer. One of the first thing you will notice is the drag and drop builder. You can just click and move the elements like buttons, images and text block anywhere you want on the page. You don't need the coding skills and you can make your funnel look exactly how you want. Next thing is the GoHighLevel gives you ready-made templates. These are pre-designed funnels for different purpose like capturing emails, selling a product, or scheduling the appointments. You can use these templates to save time instead of starting from scratch. You can also customize them with your branding, colors, and content. So your funnel feels professional and unique. Another important feature is the automation. You can set up emails, text messages, follow-ups that are sent automatically to your leads when they take an action. For example, if someone sign up on your landing page, GoHighLevel can send them a welcome email and a reminder message without you doing anything manually. This helps you to stay connected with your leads and increase the chance they will become the customers. GoHighLevel also provides the analytics and the tracking. You can see how many people visited to your funnel, how many signed up, and where they dropped off. This data is very important because it helps you to understand what works and what need the improvement. Finally, the platform is an all-in-one platform, which means you don't need to use any other tool for email marketing, SMS, or CRM. Everything is in one place, which makes it easier to manage your leads and your sales process. For beginners and small business owners, this is very helpful because you can focus more on growing your business instead of switching between multiple apps. Overall, GoHighLevel Funnel Builder makes the building funnel simple, fast, and effective. Even if you are new to online marketing, this feature helps you to create the professional funnels and improve your business results. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. If you liked this video, then don't forget to use the link from the description and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.